Naghahanap ba kayo ng pancake, homemade pancake na budget friendly? Try nyo na tong recipe ko. Tada! May homemade pancake. Ito na yung pancakes na nagawa natin. Ayan. Tapos, lalagyan ko nga nitong donut chocolate and strawberry. Wala kasi ako nung pancake syrup na ubos na, so okay na to. Hello, good morning. For today's video nga pala, magluluto tayo ng homemade pancakes. Meron akong ingredients dito na 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 1/2 cup sugar, 2 1/4 buttermilk, combination of milk and vinegar. Then, 3 tablespoons of butter. And we have 3 eggs. Tara, samahan nyo ako magawa tayo ng homemade pancake. Ito na yung na-mix kong pancake.